What is that?
It's so tiny. So, quick recap. I moved into my first solo apartment in New York City about a year and a half ago.
We did it, Joe.
And it was a full-blown horror story.
The entire apartment reeked of gas.
Think landlord drama, building chaos, and me just questioning all of my life choices.
How can I refuse to pay rent if I already paid you?
That turned into a whole series, and y'all were here for it. Thank you. But, plot twist, we're here again. Jersey City! Welcome to the finale of this 3-part series. This episode is called Peace. We still have a long way to go, you guys. The goal for this weekend, today and tomorrow, is to get this done. My friend is coming to help me on Tuesday, and I also ordered a TaskRabbit to help me move the heavier things. I'm putting anything that is done and ready to go in the U-Haul that I ordered in here, and we're gonna get this done. I am going to Pilates. So gonna do that. I also need to sell clothes, so I'm just gonna bring the clothes with me to Pilates because the Beacon's closet is right next to there. And then after I'm done selling clothes, I'm gonna go to Home Depot, get some boxes, get some wrapping paper, moving stuff, and really focus, crack down, and try and get this done. I've saved so many boxes from like Amazon orders, so I have a lot for like little things, but I think I'm ultimately just gonna get either boxes, or I've been seeing those like fabric bags. This is what my living room is looking like. Just gotta, excuse me, tiptoe way around here. Still not, nope, yep. Bedroom. Yep. Crunch time, you guys. All this, I need to finish this by Tuesday because Wednesday I literally go to Berlin. Why I do this to myself, I don't know, but let's focus first on Pilates, selling clothes, and hopefully the rest will come. So let's go. Made it. Y'all, they didn't take a damn thing. I always like anticipate on selling things at this thing and go in with such open minds thinking that they're actually gonna take things and actually gonna buy stuff from me, but they literally never do. I had 2 big bags of stuff, like decent things, and they did not take one thing. I honestly don't even think that they looked through the bag. Anyway, I ended up donating everything. I have a strong feeling that they literally just like go back through the donations and probably just sell them or take the clothes, which I don't care at this point. I just need to get rid of things. But I'm gonna go in Friend's boutique. Should I be going in there spending more money? No, but this is probably my last chance going in before the move, so I'm gonna take one last look. I have successfully walked out without spending any money at Friends. There's an Ethiopian spot that I always go to that's around the corner, and I'm really hungry right now, so I think that I am going to go eat there quickly. The food comes out really fast, so eat there, and then the next goal is to go to Home Depot. God, my brain. What we're at? I honestly think this is everything.
Cleaners, trash bags, and paper towels. Or take out some of the
Oh man, I'm back in a messy apartment. My energy level is just like, I know it's because I'm doing a lot, I'm moving, but when I'm also in a space that is just like cluttered, it just like, I just can't get comfortable. So I'm not gonna lie, you guys, putting you in a bowl right now. But God, these past few days have been really chaotic, really all over the place. I'm just ready to honestly be in my new spot, hopefully be settled in, and just on to a new start, because this constant change is really getting to me. I'm telling you. I'm gonna eat my leftovers. I have this leftover like pasta. I don't know if it's still good. I probably should wash this out. I'm just gonna keep it in there for now. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm tired. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, you guys, so I have all my coats in this big giant bag. It's a vacuum bag, so I'm going to vacuum it, and see if I can get the air out to make it smaller so that it can hopefully fit in this bag. So let's see. Also got to fill in my lashes because they were looking a hot mess before. Update, it's still hot. It's still hot, but I can't believe it. Only 2 days left. 2 days left in this apartment. It's like insane. I'm ready, you guys. I know at the beginning of this vlog, I was really sad, but there's just more issues happening with my landlord. She claimed that I was like making noise and the new tenant was like complaining about me. She said that every evening I have my TV extra loud, which when she sent it, I was out of the country for 5 days. So I was like, ma'am, you're clearly lying. I'm not even in my apartment right now. So don't know what to tell you, but it's not me. So it's just time to go, you guys. It's just time. And we're getting things together. It looks a hot mess right now, but a lot of this stuff is honestly just trash that I'm gonna get rid of. This couch, I think I'm just gonna end up donating things because a stoop sale would be a lot to plan right now. But yeah, we're getting there. Okay, I don't know how to set this up. Literally, in order for me to do this, I have to turn my fan, like unplug my fan. So you guys, we gotta make this quick. We gotta make this quick. You just have to stay right there. Oh God. Okay. Let's see. Undo that. Oh my God. Cannot break it. It worked. We'll see how long it stays like this. I might need to deflate it again, but at least it's so much smaller than it was before. Oh wow, that is heavy. You know what? I honestly might just leave it like this and put other stuff in here because I think this is it's fine. A lesson that has been hitting me hard is the lesson of redirection. Not seeing things as a failure, but as a sign that maybe it's time to go down a new path. And no matter how scary or unfamiliar it is, maybe it's best for me to make the decision to change before God makes it for me. For the past couple of months, I feel like I have been living in bitterness, unhappy with my situation and angry that these series of events were happening to me instead of figuring out a solution and changing my mindset to work in my favor. I've ultimately have decided it's up to me to change what does not serve me anymore. And sometimes that takes moving out of a state and changing my normal. I know one thing is for sure. I'm not just turning a page, I'm authoring a whole new chapter. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Today is the day, you guys. It is moving day. I'm really nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm excited and I honestly just want to get this done. So we have today to do this, can't talk. We have today to do this, so let's go. It's pretty. We made it. I'm moving out of New York. Even though I'm still gonna be here.
Movinghelp.com. That's what we should have done.
Actually, I'm never doing this shit again. At this point, I will just pay for someone. I don't care. This shit is not cute. I told her too. Wait, let me not talk shit in my video. Let me not talk shit in my video. I'm gonna get my money worth out of this thing. Tunnel, going to Jersey. Yes.
Good.
Welcome to Jersey City.
We have to get closer to the sign tree.
I'll do that. Jersey
We made it. We did it, Joe.
City. Joe.
Continue onto 14th Street.
Okay.
Best Buy.
Wow, this is a new hood. We live in those buildings. No shit.
Not me.
Works.
Look how cute. I don't have to have people steal my packages.
Wow, yes.
Elevator.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Thank God.
Yeah. Awful.
But at least there's an elevator. And a dolly.
Yeah. Barely. Wow. What is that? It's so tiny. Well, it's a little small.
It's a little bitty, but it's nice.
But we'll make it work. The most important thing, in my opinion, is this baby right here. And washer dryer right outside my door. So let's see if we can get everything to fit in here.
We did it. Goodbye, U-Haul. Bye-bye.
Less than $100 for that. But I still would never do that again. Order everything.
Finally
eating. Cheers! Woo!
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah. Day 2 of driving in New York, you guys. life hack, it's cheaper to rent a U-Haul in New York than it is a regular car. So I left all my plants in the apartment. I'm going back to grab them, and then I'm gonna see if I can do some grocery shopping in the U-Haul. We'll see how that goes, but we are above schedule, early. Oh God, too much happening at once. I needed to pick up the car at 8 o'clock. It is exactly 8 o'clock, and I'm now on my way to the apartment. So we are doing really good on timing right now. So let's get her done, you guys. Let's get her done. I'm ready to be done moving. This has been so stressful.
Resort credit.
As the old saying goes, size matters.
Y'all, I freaking did that. All done. Going to drop the car off now. Forgot to mention, I literally have a flight tonight going to Berlin. Why do I do this to myself? The world will never know, and I sure as hell don't know why either. Move out the way, car. Okay, let me stop doing this while driving. New York, baby. Good riddance. Just kidding. I still am gonna be in New York probably like every day, but you did me well, Brooklyn. It's time to try something new. Love you though. Getting really aggravated. My Wi-Fi guy was supposed to be here at 8. I got a text message at 8:30 saying that he's on his way. Already managed to lose all of my keys. I'm not even mad. I feel very numb to the situation because it's just always one thing after the other.